Hey, Bob Rapp here. It's about 1:30 on Wednesday, May 12th, and I've had a couple of questions about analysis services and compatibility mode and what's happening behind the scenes when you decide to go between compatibility mode and upgrade. So I just want to show you, and I'm just in analysis services right now. This is just a quick demo. So you've got your model, and in this case it's in compatibility mode 1200. So I wanted to actually take you through what the upgrade of analysis services is, and then I've also put a step-by-step in is each of the guides that go with this. I'll actually put in the comments on the YouTube video. So we can upgrade the server model. So what we're doing is we're not changing the model, we're changing the engine behind the model. And if you go all the way down here, it talks about what's the compatibility level, and you notice that I'm at 1200 right now, so I'm in SQL Server 2016, but you could go all the way back to whatever you have. The key thing about this is that once you upgrade, that upgrade is going to be a one-way upgrade. So you need to make sure and go through the following process, right? So make sure that you've backed up all your databases. And if you don't know how to do that, I've actually got a link to each of these articles. Number two, make sure you understand your current performance, right? So I don't know what your current testing is or how you're making backups. I assume you're doing CI/CD, right? Continuous integration, continuous development. And if you can roll forward, you should be able to roll back. But if that's not true, then make a copy of your models and put them in a place where you can test them. We can use Azure Labs, that sort of thing. So install the new instance of analysis services. Choose the same server mode that you had before. If you don't want to upgrade, if you do want to upgrade, look at the post-analysis configuration tasks that attach to the databases, run the consistency check for integrity, make sure that there's no changes in behavior calculations. Now, again, the problem is each of you is using these for lots of things, so we don't know what it did before, but you need to run your test cases the way that you normally do. Then you may have to reconfigure service accounts and then test the backup and operation, right? The one thing, I'm going to go ahead and put it in big letters, is that this is a one-way movement, okay? So if you're taking a copy and you're playing with it, great, but it is not something that you can go back to. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the comments just each of the documents you need to look through. So how to upgrade, new features, backup restore, post-installation, DBCC, configure the service accounts, and then compatibility level. And again, this is just this is my recommendation for you to do. You should definitely have the support team ready to help you, and obviously never do this on production services until you've tested it. All right, hope that helps. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.